Tired of trying to save money and getting nowhere? These 5 apps can help you save without even thinking about it. All available in the USA. App number 1. Acorns. Acorns rounds up your purchases and invests the spare change. Buy a coffee for $3.50, it invests the extra 50 cents automatically. App number 2, Rocket Money. This app finds and cancels unwanted subscriptions and helps you set budgets. App number 3, Digit, now part of Opportune. Digit analyzes your spending and moves small amounts of money into savings without you noticing. App number 4, Rakuten. Get cash back when you shop online. Rakuten pays you to shop at your favorite stores. App number 5, Yotta. Save money and win prizes. The more you save, the more chances to win cash, TVs, even cars. Saving money doesn't have to be hard. Let technology do the work for you. Try one of these apps today and let your money grow on autopilot. Comment which app you'll try first. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart money tips.